Ifoni egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ocingweni imizuzwana eyisikhombisa ithaya esetshenziswa iDon Park.
Thereafter, at 11:31:49 seconds, the number ending 8169 called the number ending 7007, and that call lasted 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Dawn Park Tower.
Join isikhathi sika 11:31:41 inamba egcina ngo-8169 yafonela ifoni inamba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emithathu kusasetshenziswa yona iDon Park itower.
Thereafter, at 11:32:17 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 7007, which lasted 4 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ngo-11:32:17 isikhathi inamba egcina ngo-8169 yafonela inamba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana emine kusasetshenziswa yona itower yaseDon Park.
At 11:32:34 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, and that call lasted 74 seconds. Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
Isikhathi 11:32:34 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela enambeni 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nane kusasetshenziswa yona iDon Park itower.
The last transaction on this page is at 11:34:44 seconds. It was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number 7007, lasted 8 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower again.
Joke ucingo lokugcina lana lalu ngesikhathi sika 11:34:44 seconds lapho ke inamba egcina ngo-8169 yashayela ucingo kule namba ka-70 egcina ngo-7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili kusasetshenziswa yona iDon Park itower.
And then on page 42, the last two calls, or the first two calls?
On page 42, the first two entries, one is at 11:35:22 seconds, was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 7007, which lasted 4 seconds, and Dawn Park was picked up.
So ke lapha ngesikhathi sa 11:35:22 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 yafonela inamba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala imizuzwana emine kusetshenziswa iDon Park.
Thereafter, at 11:35:44 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 14 seconds from the number ending 7007, and Dawn Park was picked up as the tower.
So ngesikhathi sa 11:35:44 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nane kusasetshenziswa yona itower yaseDon Park.
Okay, you also place the call at 14:08 on the same page.
At 14:08:58 seconds, the number ending 8169 made a call to the number ending 7007, which lasted 80 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Ngoza.
Which tower?
Ngoza.
Kuthiwa ke lapha ngesikhathi sika 14:08:58 seconds inamba egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili. Ithawa esetshenziswa kuthiwa ke lapho ke ingoza.
And then the call at 15:54.
At 15:54, 49 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 70 seconds and Ngoza was picked up as the tower again.
So isikhathi ka 15:54 47 inamba egcina 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number is 7 egcina ngo7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa kusasetshenziswa yona le tower ebizwa ngokuthi ingoza.
And then lastly on that page at 12:43.
Yes. At that time, 12:43 7 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 54 seconds and Spruit View was picked up as the tower.
So isikhathi 12:43:07 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 and base behlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisihlanu nane. Ithawa ke sisetshenziswa lapha iSpruit View.
Thank you. Now let's turn our focus to the number ending with 3517. This is the number that accused number 5 has admitted before this court to be his number. Can you please the information appearing on page 9? The call is from 2011.
Page 9, 2011, 31 seconds.
Sorry, before we commence, what is the date, Mr. Sibanda?
24 October 2014. My apologies for that. 24 October 2014. Page 9.
At 2011, 31 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That lasted 49 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Hout Street.
So ngomhla 24 October 2014 isikhathi kwaku 2011-31 le number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amane nesishiyagalolunye ithawa esetshenziswa kwa Hout Street.
Still on page 9, 25 October 2014 at 9:48.
Twenty-fourth October at 9:48.
25.
25. I don't have a 9:48. I have a 8:55.
0709, my apologies. 070948.
25th October, 0709, 48 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517, which lasted 23 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 25 enyangeni ka October 2014 isikhathi wa 070948 inamba egcina ngo8149 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke emzuzwana emashumi amabili nantathu itower esetshenziswa ku Moy Street.
And then on page 11, 26 October 2014, at around 14:20,
October 14:31:59. Is that the time?
October 14:20, 21.
14:20. Okay, my apologies. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 11 seconds, and the tower that was picked up there was Phosphorus.
So mhla 26 October 2014 isikhathi sika 14:20 le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nanye itower esetshenziswa kwakuyi Phosphorus.
Then on page 12, the same exhibit, 27 October 2014, around 18:32.
At 18:32:19 seconds, the number 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517, lasted 42 seconds, and Belgravia was the tower that was picked up.
Ngomhla 27 October 2014 isikhathi kwaku 18:32:19 seconds number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela le number u3 egcina ngo 3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi amane nambili itower esetshenziswa kwaku Belgravia.
Okay. Then on page 16, the same exhibit, 31 October 2014 at 2014.
At 20:14:35 seconds, 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 23 seconds, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Ngomhla 31 October 2014 inumber egcina ngo 8169 ngesikhathi sika 2014:35 seconds yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 3517 isikhathi kabahlala besocingweni kwaku imizuzu amashumi amabili nantathu itower esetshenziswa kwakuyi Belgravia.
And the next call immediately after that one?
Thereafter, at 20:16:39 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 20 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
So isikhathi ke soku 2016:39 le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 3517 wahlala imizuzwana amashumi amabili kusetshenziswa yona itower yase Belgravia.
On page 17, at around 12:31, First of November.
12:31:54 seconds on the 1st of November, the number ending 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. It lasted 61 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
So ke ngomhla 1 November ngesikhathi ku 12:31 inumber ke egcina ngo 8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela le number egcina ngo 3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nanye lapho okusetshenziswa itower ke iMoy Street.
On page 18, the 2nd of November 2014, around 18:52.
On the 2nd of November, the number 8169 at 18:52:18 seconds made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. It lasted 16 seconds and Phosphorus Square was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 2 kuNovember 2014, isikhathi ngo-18:52 and 18 seconds, inamba egcina ngo-8169 iyashaya ucingo, ishayela le namba egcina ngo-3517, bahlala imizuzwana eyishumi nesithupha. Ithawa esetshenziswa kokuyi-Phosphorus Square.
Page 19, the 3rd of November 2014, around 7:53.
At 7:53:01 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. It lasted 125 seconds and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 3 kuNovember 2014, isikhathi ngo-07:53:01 second, le namba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amabili nanhlanu. Ithawa-ke esetshenziswa koku-Umoy Street.
And on page 22, the 6th of November 2014, around 09:02.
Zero 09:02, 59 seconds. Number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 35 seconds and Moy Street was the tower picked up.
Ngomhla 6 November, isikhathi kwaku-09:02:59, inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-3517. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana amashumi amathathu nanhlanu kusetshenziswa le tower Moy Street.
And then on the 6th of November 2014, around 22:23. That's on page 23.
At 22:23:42 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. That call lasted 3 seconds and Rudekop was picked up as the tower.
Isikhathi ka-22:23:42 second, inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517. Bahlale-ke imizuzwana emithathu kuphela. Ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Rudekop.
Still on page 22. On the 7th of November 2014, around 6:27:09.
6:27:09, 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. The call lasted 58 seconds and the tower picked up was Georgetown.
Ngomhla 7 kuNovember, isikhathi kwaku-6:27:09, inamba egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517. Bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisihlanu nesishiyagalombili. Ithawa esetshenziswa lapho kwakuyi-Georgetown.
Still on page 23, at 7 November 2014, at 6:44.
6:44:29 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 15 seconds and it was made to the number ending 3517. And a Goud Street was picked up there.
Lesikhathi ke sika 64429 number egcina ngo8169 yathola yashaya ucingo ishayela le number egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana e15 ithawa esetshenziswa kwe Holt Street.
On page 24, 7 November 2014 at 20:33.
$20.33.15. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 3517. The call lasted 53 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Goud Street.
Ke ngomhla 7 kuNovember isikhathi u20:33 and 15 seconds number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana yama53 ithawa ke esetshenziswa kwe Holt Street.
Still on page 24, 20:57:50 on the 7th of November 2014.
That was an outgoing call made from 8169 to 3517, lasted 42 seconds, and Goud Street was still the tower picked up.
Isikhathi sika 20:57 and 50 seconds number 8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela number egcina ngo3517 bahlala imizuzwana yama42 ithawa esetshenziswa kuseyena iHolt Street.
November 20:57:50.
I've just read that out.
21:25.
21:25:30 seconds was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number 3517. It lasted 16 seconds, and the tower picked up there was still Goud Street.
Ngesikhathi sika 21:25:30 seconds number egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela number egcina ngo3517 lapho bahlala imizulu e16 ithawa eyayisetshenziswa kwa Holt Street.
Page 25, 8 November 2014, 21:12.
21:12:22 seconds. There was an outgoing SMS from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 3517. Goud Street was picked up.
So ngomhla 8 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi ku21:12 and 25 seconds the number u8169 yathumela umlayezo SMS ithumela le number egcina ngo3517 kusetshenziswa yona ithawa uHolt Street.
8 November 2014, 21:14, still on page 25.
21:14:23 seconds. An SMS was received. There is no other party number, so we cannot see who sent that SMS. The tower picked up there is still Goud Street.
Ngo21:14:23 kukhona SMS eyangena ayisho ukuthi le SMS ivela kuyiphi inumber kodwa ke ithawa esetshenziswa ku Holt Street.
Sorry, when you say there was no other number, but you say an SMS was sent,
Yes.
from which device was it sent?
Our data does not indicate which number sent the SMS.
Just indicates that it was sent.
Sent to the number ending 8169.
Yeah, that's different. If you say it was sent to the number, are you saying that? Ending 169.
I'm saying 8169 received an SMS.
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, now I hear you.
Ma'am, are we on 8 November 2014 at 21:14:43 seconds?
At 21:14:43 seconds,
Yes.
an SMS was sent by 8169 to the number ending 3517.
Yes.
And Holt Street was picked up again.
Isikhathi 21:14:43 seconds. Inumber ke u8169 yathumela umlayezo we-SMS ithumela le number egcina ngo3517 ithawa yesetshenziswa uHolt Street.
On page 28, 13 November 2014, 0811.
November at 0811:45 seconds. The number ending 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517. That lasted 36 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 13 November 2014 isikhathi kwa-8:08:11:45 seconds inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo eshayela inumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke ocingweni imizuzwana eyama-36 kusetshenziswa ke itower iMoy Street.
Ma'am, just on this page, can you explain the difference when the cell phone picks up a tower? For example, 2G Moy Street SGS1 and 2G Moy Street SGS3.
Not to be too technical, but that's different antennas on a tower or a different sector of a tower that's been picked up.
So ke manje kuma ukuthi inumber ke lena ithi isebenzisa iMoy Street SGS1 kwesinye isikhathi ke isebenzisa iMoy Street SGS3 kusho ukuthi enye ingxenye yale tower kodwa kuse tower yodwa.
Still on page 28, 13 November 2014 at 10:26.
At 10:26:00 seconds, a call was made from the number 8169 to the number ending 3517. It lasted 24 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as a tower.
So ke ngesikhathi ke ngosuku mhla 13 November isikhathi 10:26:00 second inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya icingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke ocingweni imizuzwana eyama-24 itower esetshenziswa ku-Moy Street.
On page 29, 13 November 2014 at 20:35.
(20:35:43 seconds). 8169 called the number 3517. It lasted 30 seconds, and Holt Street was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 13 November 2014 isikhathi u-20:35:43 inumber egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo-3517 bahlala ke imizuzwana ama-30 babesebenzisa i-tower ekuthiwa i-Holt Street.
On page 49, 4 December 2014, 7:36.
At 7:36:31 seconds, 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 30 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Belgravia.
Umhlaka 4 kuDisemba 2014 isikhathi kwa 07:36:31 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kunenamba egcina ngo3517 bahlala emizuzwana yamashumi amathathu setshenziswa itower iBelgravia.
Page 52, 5 December 2014 at 18:40.
(10 seconds). There was an outgoing call from 8169 to 3517. It lasted 106 seconds. And the tower picked up there is Bekuzulu.
Jake ngomhlaka 5 kuDisemba 2014 isikhathi kwa 18:40 and 10 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba egcina ngo3517 bahlala emizuzwana eyikhulu nemizuzwana eyisithupha lapho itower esetshenziswa kwakuBhekuzulu.
Still on page 52, 5 December 2014 at 18:44.
18:44, 16 seconds. 8169 made a call to 3517, lasting 56 seconds, and Pondwana HIB was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhlaka 5 kuDisemba 18:44 and 16 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela le number eyi3517 bahlala emizuzwana eyamashumi ayisihlanu nesithupha itower ke esetshenziswa kuyibondwana HBHB.
Still on page 52, 5 December 2014 at 18:56.
18:56, 16 seconds. An outgoing call was made by 8169 to 3517. It lasted 36 seconds. And the tower picked up there was Pondwana again.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhlaka 15 kuDisemba 2014 isikhathi kwa 18:56 and 16 seconds inamba egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba egcina ngo3517 bahlala emizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesithupha itower kuseyona le yafundwana.
On page 59, 11 December 2014, 9:11.
At 9:11, 19 seconds, 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 93 seconds, and Goud Street was picked up as the tower.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhlaka 11 kuDisemba 2014 isikhathi kwa 09:11:19 inamba egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo3517 bahlala emizuzwana yamashumi ayisishiyagalolunye nantathu lapho okusetshenziswa khona eGold Street.
Page 69, 17 December 2014, 18:37.
18:37:09 seconds. 8169 received a call from 3517, lasted 49 seconds, and Mavulazi was picked up as the tower.
Can I just see that?
VU.
Ngomhla ka-17 December 2014, isikhathi kwaku-18:37:09, inamba egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-3517, bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyama-49, ithawa esenziwa othiwa uMavulazi.
Now, in terms of the radius of a tower, can you tell the court the coverage of each respective tower in terms of the distance?
I need to understand this correctly. You want me to explain the distances of the towers?
In a particular area, let's say spread view tower, in terms of the distance, how long does it cover?
Okay, so you want to know coverage areas of towers.
Yes.
So in urban areas, it's anything from 2 to 500 meters up to 2 kilometers, because it's a built-up area. In rural areas, it can be anything from 15 to 25 kilometers.
Kuthiwa-ke ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ibanga elizungeza ithawa, amathawa la akwazi ukusebenza ukufikela ibanga elingakanani. Manje uthi-ke ey'ndaweni ezisemadolobheni ngenzeka ukuthi ngenze ithawa iqale lapha ko-200 kuyofika 500 meters, iyogcina-ke lapha ko-2 kilometers, lapho khona kunezindlu ezakhiwe. Kodwa kuma sikhuluma ngendawo yasemaphandleni, ithawa-ke kuyenzeka ukuthi isebenze ibanga elingaba 15 kuyofika kwama-25 amakhilomitha azungeza leyo thawa.
On page 100, 13 January 2015.
Yes, time?
At 18:52.
18:52, 33 seconds. 8169 made an outgoing call to the number ending 3517, lasted 15 seconds, and Moy Street was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 13 January 2015, isikhathi kwa-18:52 and 33 seconds, inamba egcina ngo-8169 eshaya ucingo inamba egcina ngo-3517, bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyishumi-15. The tower?
Moy Street.
Tower yayisetshenziswa lapho kwakuMoy Street.
Thank you. I want to go back to the previous question that I posed regarding the coverage. Spread view tower, do you classify it as an urban area or a rural area in terms of the coverage?
If I look at one of the previous maps that we've had a look at, Spreadview looks to be in a built-up area. So I would class rural areas as farming areas, not built-up areas.
Manje kubuza lapha ukuthi iSpreadview uyithatha iyithawa esemaphandleni noma esendaweni esemadolobheni. Wathi cha uma sibheke lapha sibheka ama-map ale ndawo le yase-Spruit View kuyabonakala ukuthi i-Spruit View sendaweni enezindlu ey'ningi okusho ukuthi-ke ithathwa njengendawo-ke esemadolobheni. Kodwa-ke masikhuluma ngethawa esendaweni esemaphandleni kusho ukuthi sisho indawo enamafamu.
Okay. Now, on this information, on this set of data, are you able to tell this court if at any stage this particular device was able to pick up a tower at Spruit View at any stage?
Yes. I have picked up Spruit View.
Ngibuza ukuthi uyawazi yini ukuthi ubuye la kule lohlalo loluphethe ubone ukuthi kwaba khona yini isikhathi la enye yalamafoni yakwazi ukuxhumana nele tower yase-Spruit View athi yeah.
Can I direct you to just highlight 24 November 2014?
Page
It's on page 39.
Page 39. Page 39. Yes.
Can you confirm that?
Just repeat yourself, please.
I'm saying, can you confirm that it did pick up a tower at Spruit View, SGS2?
Yes. I did pick it up on the 24th of November, 1903:57, when MTC was received, and it shows 2G Spruit View SGS.
So mhla 24 inyangeni kaNovember 2014 isikhathi wa 1903:57 le number lena u8169 yabonakala ukuthi yathola ucingo ikuwukuthi ngaleso sikhathi isebenzisa ke le tower yase-Spruit View u2G Spruit View SGS.
And then on the 28th of November 2014, on page 42, just place those towers on record as well.
The first time was at 13:08:03, Spruit View.
So ngalelo langa isikhathi kwa 13:08:03 itower ku Spruit View.
Thereafter, 13:34:46, Spruit View.
So emva kwalawo isikhathi ka 13:34:46 kwakuyi Spruit View.
And then 13:35:36, Spruit View.
Futhi ke ngesikhathi ka 13:35:36 kwakuseyona iSpruit View.
And then thereafter,
at on the 28th, 13:53:09 seconds, it was Bopang-Khotso.
So ke ngomhla 28 isikhathi kwa 15:53:09 seconds itower esetshenziswa kokuBopang-Khotso.
and then lastly,
And
it's 1403.
14:03:49 seconds, it then reflects Phosphorus Square.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 14:03:49 ikhombisa lapha iqhumene netower Phosphorus Square.
Now, the towers that you just placed on record, is it the same towers that the phone started with the deceased on the 26th of October? It was picking up between 1900 and 2000.
Yes, that's correct.
Njengoba manje lamathawa ke lo obukhuluma ngawo
Mr. Sibande was speaking too low. I did not follow what he was saying.
I am saying these towers that the witness has placed on record on this day, 28 November 2014, are the same towers that the phone of the deceased on the 26th of October 2014 was picking up.
umbuzo lapha ukuthi lamathawa osonokhuluma ngawo lana iwona yini lamathawa ifoni kaMufi eyayiqhumana nawo ngomhla ka 26 ku-October 2015 ngesikhathi esiqala ngo-19 hours kuyofika 20 hours usuthi 7 wantambama kuyofika ngo-8 wantambama wathi yebo.
Yeah, but you must mention the number of the deceased. For
Number
other
ending with
purposes.
551. I can just go back to that set of data, exhibit JJ1. Just assist the witness. The number of the deceased. The number of the deceased on the first page of your addendum of JJ1.
Yes.
Can you please the number of the deceased on record?
071 437 9551.
As well as the page numbers and the case ID. The page number where we can find this information of the deceased on that addendum.
It's not marked as a page number, but it is the first page of the manual statement.
Njengoba inamba kaMufi ekhulunywa lapha u-071 437 9551.
If you look at the first page of your addendum, where it's written the number of the deceased underneath this page number 13-4649.
Yes, my apology. That's on the set of data, page 13 of 4,649 with the case ID 550713.
The case number lapha evelayo 550713.
Thank you, my lord. On that note, I will request the court to adjourn for lunch. We'll proceed at 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
Hello?
Can we proceed after 2? It's 1300 at this stage.
Yeah.
Can we adjourn for lunch?
Okay. Thanks.